want to go to the gym, but your name is Jim, so every time you go to sign up at the gym and they ask you what your name is, you always say Jim, and then it's too awkward, so you run out screaming and crying. Hey guys, I'm TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we're back once again taking a look at how to do some really cool cuts here. So what we want to do is we want to make it so that when you have two objects that kind of overlap each other, like let's say we have this long little cube here, this long rectangle here, sorry, and let's say we have another rectangle here, right? And they're overlapping, and you know we want them kind of to not overlap in this way. We can do a very, very easy thing. So let's go ahead and hit 7 on my numpad here, and we'll go into edit mode by hitting tab on your keyboard. And we'll select these vertices right here. We have to select all 4 of these, so we'll go ahead and grab all of these. Or if you're in top-down view, if you're in top-down view by hitting 7 on your numpad, you can go up here to the toggle X-ray, click that, and then drag a box over top of that, and then it selects all 4 of these vertices right there for you. Boom. So once we have those selected, go ahead and make sure you hold down Shift, Control, Alt, and S. You can see that our cursor turns into this little icon, and if we hit Y on our keyboard, you can see it kind of like shifts back and forth. This is really, really cool. So there's that. Now you can do other directions. You can hit X, like it's going up and down, you just can't tell, or you can also hit Z, but that you also can't see because we're in top facing view. But let's go ahead and hit Y on our keyboard, and it goes back and forth like that. Now if you want to snap this to an angle, let's go ahead and hit hold down Control to make sure to turn snap on. And you can see now that we have the ability to go ahead and left click that, so once it's like perfectly on grid there. And now if we take a look at this, you can see that it has a little angle to it. Now if we do the same thing with the other one that we have here, which we can go ahead and just go in edit mode, select those vertices there, hold Shift, Control, Alt, and S, and then go ahead and move our mouse back and forth, hold down Control, get that little that angle there, make sure it's on the grid, and then let's go ahead and hit G to move this down here, hold down Control of course, and you can see now they perfectly line up. So that is a super easy way and a very cool way to kind of get things to line up in Blender. These very, very cool cuts to get things to kind of sit properly instead of looking all glitched like they were previously. So super simple. Again, just tab to go into edit mode, Shift, Control, Alt, S, and then boom, you're going back and forth like that. Super easy. Make sure you're in top facing view. I want to say this because if we select all these vertices here and we do Shift, Control, Alt, S, and then move back and forth, you see it moves very wonky. It moves super weird. So make sure you're in either the front facing view and you do it like that. You can go back and forth, or you're in the top facing view. So that's 1 on your numpad or 7 on your numpad. Make sure you're in either of these views, because without doing that, it'll look very wonky and strange like this. So make sure you are doing that in one of those side or top views. You can also hit 3 to go to the side. 1's the front, 3's the side, and 7 is the top. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed something. I hope you enjoyed something. Well, I hope you enjoy something in your life. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.